What's up, motherfuckers? Just did the hardest thing I'll do all day. Got my ass up on time, 5 o'clock. And all I'm going to meditate on, think about, marinate on is things that inspire me. God inspires me. My long-term goals. Of one of which is watching the Monaco Grand Prix from the biggest yacht. The biggest yacht. There's a lot of big ass yachts there, baby. I want to make $100 billion. I want a private jet. I want a Charlie house. Like 2.5 men. I'm not thinking about things I gotta do, the motivation I need, the short-term targets I need to hit, what I gotta do today, dreaming. Goals are long-term. Targets are short term. King David was anointed king as a child, as a young boy. Didn't happen till he was 30 years old. Years of suffering, years of wondering, years of shit. What got him through? The inspiration, the aspirational thoughts. Of one day, I'm gonna be motherfucking king. You gotta be able to dream. The Bible says without a vision, the people will perish. It says there's a way and a path. The way is the vision. It's a long term. The path is all the little things you got to do to get there. We're not worried about the path right now.
is going to be filmed over today and tomorrow, which is race day. So today I'm going to show you as we come into Monaco, as we tie up, you'll see all the boats and the craziness that is the Monaco Grand Prix. So I want to share that with you guys. I'm sure you're really going to enjoy it. So, currently...
Right there, baby. Look at some of the big ass boats. I'm sitting right there and get up in the morning. Grab my balls and scream.
These tenders and boats.
Why'd you settle for the little boats, you little bitches? Fucking losers. I can't
people
tell.
Everywhere, boats everywhere.
There's a fairly big one right there.
And it gets really super loud when the cars come racing by, and then when the Formula One
Can't see what this
starts,
guy's
it's even
on.
louder, so you've got special earplugs, because after hours and hours of listening to it.
See, I thought enough of my dreams.
There's people coming in and out. The tenders are basically bringing, for all the vessels that couldn't get in
this shit
out of
up.
anchor, there's tons and tons of those outside of anchor. So they come in on the tenders, they get dropped off, and they go to wherever they're going, whether it's at one of the teams, or whether they're going to the grandstands, or to...
What do you want? Forecast it out. Say 30 years. What do you want? If you're younger, 50 years. What do you want? What do you want? KTW. Not what you know you can get. It's not what you think you can get. What do you want? What do you want? Hallelujah, it's all I need. Think of your goodness, your love for me. Let's go, baby.